Hey, yeah, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm about to show you guys how to take these bohemian braids down. I had these in for 3.5 weeks. So as you can see, it's about that time for it to come down. Show you guys the back. Alright, it's definitely loose in the back. Alright, so all you need is some scissors. And I have my scissors right here. Okay. Alright, so about to take my hair down right now. I just woke up, so that's why I'm looking like this. Got one hairpin. I've already taken down a lot of hairpins. Already open hairpins. Okay. Alright, so this is what my hair looked like with the curly ends. It was burgundy. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull one from the front. Okay, so now my hair is long and my hair stops to right here. Got my scissors. This is what it look like. Then you just unravel your braid. Okay, this is what it looks like. We'll do another one. Now, some people unravel the whole braid, but I'm not gonna do that. Make sure you do not cut your hair, okay? So, I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair stops right here. So you get your scissors, okay, cut. Below your hair. Now, this hairstyle took me 2 hours to do. Because of course I did it by myself. Okay, no help because I had to separate the hair, including the curly hair too. So, you guys let me know what other hairstyles you want to see me do. Okay. Hair definitely dirty, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. Very dirty. I have rubber bands in my hair. I will take those down later. Alright, so I have a rubber band and I'm going to put it on my natural here so it won't get in the way. Okay. So now, but to pull a braid. Okay. Look for your natural hair within the braid. Okay. My hair is right here. Get your scissors. Start cutting. That's a closer look. Now make sure you get you some thick scissors like these. I got this from Walmart, okay? So you guys a closer look of me unraveling my braid. Now these are jumbo braids, so it's very, very easy to unravel in a way. So with the ends, all you have to do is just pull your hair gently. Alright, so this is almost the finished look of this. hairstyle. So I only have about 5 to 6 braids to do. Okay. Now let me show you guys what my hair looks like close up. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so I got all other braids out of my head. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like. Okay. Back up it. Okay. I didn't wash my hair yet, but I'm about to wash it. Okay.